the house is made out of brick, but anywhere there's wood near soil, that's where I want to pay attention. Like here's a wooden deck, a porch, a step, and it's resting on concrete. Again, we don't want the wet concrete to we don't want the water to be wicked up from the wet concrete into the wood. And we don't want termites or bugs or wood rot to develop. Hard surfaces like concrete or asphalt should also slope away from the house, like a 2% grade, but that's difficult to see, especially when it's not raining. So what we want to pay attention to is kind of like eye it up. It looks pretty level. Ideally, it would be sloped this way. Not too much, but just enough to get that water away from the house, since above, no gutters. So we have a lot of rainwater dumping down right here. You can even see the line of the water drip. So imagine a lot of water splashing here. Where does it go? It's like half and half. Half of it goes this way probably, half of it goes that way. Right here, you can see that a lot of water goes to the house. This is moss, and moss loves a lot of water all the time. And this water is wicked up through capillary action through the building material, and that's not good. So right now, my concern is in this house, along the baseboard, I don't want to see any indications of moisture intrusion.